Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, I'm very well. Thank you. How are you?
Good, sir. Good.
So you are looking very happy today.
Usually in office, always happy.
Okay. I think you have got some new orders from your clients.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, because actually, it's very obvious. It's human nature, you can say. Actually, you can say that your face is the mirror of your thoughts. Means if you are happy from your inside, then you cannot hide your happiness. Even some of the things, it is said in Hindi, like ishq, ishq, ashq or mushk, ishq, ashq or mushk. और क्या था, इश्क आश्क और मुश्क, छुपाए नहीं छुपते.
Right.
इश्क मीन्स
Love.
लव, मोहब्बत. इश्क
Mush.
आश्क, आश्क मतलब आंसू.
Asu.
हाँ, यस यस. इश्क आश्क, इश्क आश्क, मस्क और खांसी. खांसी ऐसे मीन देर आर लॉट ऑफ
Yeah, yeah. Kind of phrase.
yeah, you cannot hide them. Like
Right.
if you feel like to cough, you have to cough. You cannot hide it. You cannot avoid it.
Right.
तो
Right.
ये ऐसी खुशबू, खुशबू you can even you keep that खुशबू in lock even, but it
Right.
will come out of it.
Yeah, yeah,
तो
definitely.
जैसे तो इश्क को, इस अश्क को, मुस्क और खुशबू, इनको छुपा नहीं सकते आप.
Mhm.
So similarly, you are looking very happy today. I don't know the reason.
Actually, today I'm little free, basically.
Yeah.
I'm relaxed.
And
That's why I
it's
feel happy.
human, and it's a very good nature of human being. That means if we are tense, then our face is little tense. But when we are happy, that happiness comes on our face automatically.
Right, right.
It may be because of any reason you are free, or you have got something, or uh, what I should say means it is always on your face, whether you are happy, you are sad, or
Yeah.
you are worried. It is always on your face.
Yeah.
But still, I think it's very easy to say that we should always try to be happy or to have good expressions on our face, but it's very
Right.
difficult to cope up with that fact, because we are human being, we live in that world, in that society where we have to work a lot to maintain our standard of living. So we have to be busy with our work, with our clients, customer all the time. So we have very hectic schedule,
Yeah.
and as a result of this, we are tensed very much. So sometimes you have some conflicts with your customer, so you are not happy,
Yeah.
so you are not feeling good. So you cannot be happy that time. You cannot even the good things which you love, or the activities which you really want to do and you love to do, you don't want to do when you are not fresh.
Right, right,
Suppose you like to listen to songs,
right, right.
but you can listen to song. Of course, people will suggest you, if you are tense, go to your room or go to your cabin and start listening to your favorite music.
Right, right, right.
But it's very difficult practically. If you are tense, you won't feel like to listen to music. Even
Right.
you would like to throw music. Take
Right,
it away,
right.
take it away. I'm tense. I just want to sit quietly, silently,
Right,
lonely.
right.
Yeah. So
When
it's
basically when you want some solution, at that time you need a little relax and also silent. If you are focused on something which you are really like, at that time you are like you are like to listen music.
yes,
Basically every situation has a different requirement, you can say that. If you are happy, you talk to your families, your friends. Yeah. If you are busy, you cannot talk to anyone, definitely. Because it's you are busy, you are busy your work with your work, you cannot think about that.
yeah. Actually, somebody, I read somewhere in a book that was a motivational book by some writer, very good writer, very famous writer. So,
Who wrote?
yeah, I think that I didn't know, I have forgotten the name, but what he told that I am telling you, or what he
Mhm.
has written in his book, that I am going to tell you. It's very practical. You know, uh, what was the thing? I have forgotten. It was in my mind, now it had slipped out. Okay, that I'll recall it later.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
no
Sure.
problem. It was in my mind actually, but it
Mhm.
slipped out of my mind. That will come again, no
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, sure, sure.
So, okay, so let's start something new.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
And definitely, again, I want to tell you that that website is really paying.
On that
BTC Clock,
Bitcoin.
BTC, yeah, BTC Clock dot, BTC Clock dot IO.
How much did you earn?
Actually, I have
Have you
invested
finished, bro?
now I have invested $54.
$54
Yes, actually I earned from there and I invested there.
invested on.
I
Okay, okay,
earned from there and I invested. And now I am getting more than $2 every day as a profit.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. But actually I am not going to invest too much money there.
Right, right, right.
And even some I refer some of my students also. They are
Okay,
outside. They are outside in US, UK, and
okay, okay.
they have also joined that. So
Oh, that's really good.
yeah. So actually, because it's really very honest website,
Hmm.
and it is really paying. I'm really very happy with the function of that website.
Basically, they are showing a crystal clear business. How
Yes.
much amount you invested on that website, and every minute how much you are
Earning.
getting,
Yeah.
earning, basically. So basically, everything is crystal clear.
And
Every second or every day, how much.
actually, it is really because actually, I have been using that website for the last 20 days.
Mhm.
And even within these 20 days, even I didn't feel that website is playing false or doing scam with the people even for a second, because means their website, the functioning of the website is so mean it is up to the mark.
Mhm.
It works as a standard website. Means
Right.
there is no uh, server down or something like that, because otherwise you see even some of the websites when the traffic is high on the
Mhm.
website, suppose
Yeah.
means if they have not taken suppose the high bandwidth on their server,
Mhm.
means if the capacity of the server is not good, because in the beginning when the website owner, when they host their website on some servers,
Mhm.
they are not very dedicated servers, so their website hangs out many times.
Mhm.
uh, so it has bad impression, on the visitors.
Yeah, yeah.
So that I want to do something on your website, when I just click on that, I find it, oh, it is out of the server. So
Okay.
it creates, a very bad impression about that particular website. But this
Yeah.
website, you see, even I have seen many reviews on YouTube of the people. Even they have invested $3,000, $4,000 here. They're getting that,
Mm-hmm.
and 2 Bitcoin, 3 Bitcoin, they have invested. They're getting.
Okay.
So means, and they have been using that website for the last 3 months, 4 months. And when I
Mm-hmm.
see their reviews, really means I'm developing, you can say, my faith,
Mm-hmm.
a good faith with that website by the time.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have taken many withdrawal from here, and it is still paying.
Uh, have you checked with your student uh, that the amount they are increasing day by day, which is the same or a different?
What?
The amount they are increasing day by day. If they are giving you 3 point something $2 a day, and any other provider, they're also getting the same amount.
Yeah, no.
They will also.
This is actually 3.84% of your investment every day.
Okay.
Means if you invest $100,
Right.
you will get $3.84 every day within
Okay.
24 hours. And you can withdraw it.
Okay.
You can withdraw even $0.5, no problem. As soon as that it is shown in your balance, 0.5, you can withdraw, no problem. And even you can withdraw your principal amount also of any time you can withdraw. Just 5% is deducted only.
5% reduction on
Principal amount.
the okay principal amount. Okay. Okay. Only 5% they will deduct on principal amount. Yeah.
Even you invest today,
Okay.
suppose I tell you, suppose you suppose I invest $100 here, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and after 5 days I will earn, because actually for around $4 every day I'll get, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Within 5 days I'll earn $20.
Right. Right.
I have taken $20
Mm-hmm.
in 5 days. Now I want to draw my $100 also. I
Okay.
withdraw my $100, they will deduct $5. I will get 95, okay,
Okay.
and $20 I have already taken as a profit. So what is the loss in 5 days? I
Mm-hmm. They will be.
invested 100 and I got 115.
And they give you 3.84 for 5 days
They're giving every day.
every day.
Yes, 3.84% every day
Every day. Oh,
until you withdraw your principal amount from there.
okay, okay, okay.
Getting my point?
Yeah, okay.
If you keep $100 here for whole life,
If I invest $10,000
yes, you will
for
get
for one day,
for one day. Yes, you can, but it is a
or or or,
loss.
or,
But it is a
or
loss in one day.
not, yeah, yeah, I got it. In one day, because they give you 3.84, but they will charge on your 5%.
Five
Definitely.
percent.
Yeah, I agree. If I invest $10,000 for 1 week,
That is
right?
advantage. That is
Yeah,
advantage.
three eight
Because
four into 7, which is 2688.
no, every 10,000, that 3.84 means 40. No, 4% means around 40, 400.
Yeah, yeah.
If you invest $10,000, suppose, right?
Okay. The interest amount will increase on that.
No. suppose you invest $10,000,
Okay.
then you will get $400 every day as your profit.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
400 means for 7 weeks, then you will get 2,800 profit. That is dollar.
Okay.
Now you take your principal back. The 5% of 10 is $500. They will deduct $500 from it. Actually, any amount which you keep there for more than 5 days, it is beneficial.
Yeah. Yeah.
But less than 5 days, it is not beneficial for you.
Not bad. Yeah. Yeah.
So I have and one more website is also there
Okay.
that I didn't tell you about that. Actually, one guy is Sumit Kapoor from Delhi.
Okay.
He is also a young boy like you. He is also, I think he is 27-year old. 27, quite young. I know him very well. I have talked to him many times on phone.
Okay.
But he is a
Okay.
very clever. And very clever,
Okay.
and you can say, not clever, I must say, a very good businessman, you can say. And he is earning
Okay.
money. He is earning money through internet.
Okay.
Yeah. So there is a website eTrade, like Bitcoin.
E-Trade.
eTrade.
Yeah. Yeah. But
eTrade. It is also a coin. It is also a cryptocurrency. There are many
okay.
cryptocurrencies. Do you know?
No. No. I don't know about.
Bitcoin is the father.
Okay.
Now the children are coming.
Okay.
Children like Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, and many are there. Many.
Okay. Okay.
So they are also coming into existence. And now people are focusing on these, not on Bitcoin.
Right.
And
Right.
it is expected that the Bitcoin maybe one Bitcoin maybe 1 crore in coming years.
Oh my God.
It is expected actually. Actually, it is the just imagination. We don't know what will happen in future, but the people actually they
Yeah.
estimate that time that if you even keep 5 or 10 Bitcoin with you for 4 years or 5 years, they may give you crores, I think. And this is the estimation actually, but
Yeah.
nobody knows what will happen in future.
Yeah. It's the same will apply on everything. If you talk about the invest, if you are investing in mutual fund and other things, the
Yes.
same they are predict they are not giving you the surety this will go that
But today
level.
actually I was
It's a
watching a video, and there actually that was the prediction. In coming few years actually the Bitcoin may be 1 crore in Indian currency. One Bitcoin may be 1 crore.
basically people are day by day investing more in bitcoins. That's why
That's why the value is increasing,
right, right,
because more and more people want Bitcoin. I
right.
need Bitcoin. That's the
Yeah,
problem actually. That's why the people, suppose you have Bitcoin, okay,
yeah,
and
yeah,
I want to purchase Bitcoin. Suppose you have 10 customers
yeah.
and they are standing in queue to buy Bitcoin from you. Then you are the king. No, I don't want to sell my Bitcoin. Come tomorrow. And
Yeah,
they come tomorrow. Okay, this is the price of my Bitcoin. We want to take. Okay, sir, I want to take. Okay, give me that money. You are selling, and everything is sold on internet.
yeah,
Even you cannot touch Bitcoin.
yeah. I know.
This is actually the currency on the internet only. But wallet are there, and you keep your Bitcoins there in the wallet. So but it's a very big game, and
Yeah, yeah.
and I would like to play big games after August, from September,
Okay.
because actually, my friend, he's astrologer,
Okay.
and he's a very big astrologer. He's not very famous, but as far as India is concerned, but
Okay.
I know he he is very good, knowledgeable person in that.
Mhm.
Because actually, I know one thing: if you meet him once, you will not forget him,
Okay.
and he's of your age.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Actually, very good knowledge. If he knows your date of birth,
Mhm.
place of birth, and time,
Mhm.
even you don't come before him, he'll tell you everything about you.
Okay.
Even he can tell you your structure, body structure, your height, your shape. If you have any problem, he'll tell you about your family. You may ask him anything, even if you have any body marks anywhere
Mhm.
on your body, he'll tell you that there is a mark on your that body part, and this is the, I mean, he can tell you anything, everything. He is that much, powerful and knowledgeable person.
Mhm.
Actually, I also did the practice with him.
Okay.
Yeah, so we learned together, you can say, but I didn't have much interest in that, so I didn't study further. But you can say that is God gift. So he got that knowledge by himself within few days only.
Okay.
Within few days, and he can even,
They are
yeah.
they are they all these things they predict or how they do that. All these are predictions.
Prediction. He just needs your the, three informations about you, like date of birth, place of
Mm-hmm.
birth, and
Mm-hmm.
time of birth.
Okay, okay, okay.
Time of birth, place of birth, and date of birth.
Mm-hmm.
He need these three informations about you, and he'll give you anything what you want to ask. So he has told me actually not to
Mm-hmm.
invest much money this time. And